all starts with doing great work, so others can do the same. Since 1948, we've been rolling up our sleeves, driving innovation, leading the way. We take pride in the tough work our team, dealers, and customers do. From sunup to sunup. And that great work is about more than getting the job done. It's about a whole system of support, continuously improving, not just with the equipment we build, but in the important work we do. Vermeer has deep-rooted values that drive our culture, determine how we treat others, and steer our business, with a focus on building the people who build and depend on yellow iron. Together, we share a common goal: to leave our mark, our impact. We want to better lives, communities, and the world we live in. Work has a name: Vermeer. Equipping our team, dealers, and customers to do more.